US factories are struggling to keep up with China's rapid technological advancements. While many US factories are still stuck with outdated production methods, Chinese factories like the midea Chongqing chiller factory behind me here are embracing artificial intelligence, automation, and smart manufacturing. China's manufacturing sector is far ahead, producing high-quality products at a lower cost in a shorter time, leaving the US and Europe unable to compete. Breakthrough AI technologies, especially like DeepSeek, outperforms American counterparts at a fraction of the cost. Today, we'll explore how Chinese factories are leading the world through their utilization of AI. Lighthouse factories are recognized as the most advanced manufacturing plants in the world, setting the global standard for intelligent and digitalized manufacturing. The World Economic Forum has recognized midea Building Technologies Chongqing chiller factory as the world's first AI-powered lighthouse factory in the refrigeration industry. What makes this factory unique is that AI isn't just used in production, it runs through the entire process from R&D and design to after-sales service. The factory is one of the largest production bases for large central air conditioning chiller units in the country. It was established in 2004 and covers an area of 49.5 acres. The factory has 5 production workshops, 21 internationally advanced laboratories, the largest AHU testing laboratory in the country, and Asia's widest chiller testing platform capable of testing cooling capacities of up to 1,600 RT. Did you know chillers are used in 42 industries, from airports and high-speed rail to factories, real estate, and data centers? Every industry has unique demands, and nearly all customers opt for customized, fast delivery solutions. Right now, 87% of orders in this factory are customized, which means AI must be integrated into every step, from R&D to manufacturing and after sales, to meet customer needs. The factory manager told me that with AI-powered machine learning, AR, and simulation, even with 180% increase in customer orders, they've managed to cut the chiller selection process by 81%, shorten the product design cycle by 45%, and lower market repairs rate by 31%, all while boosting efficiency. Right now, we're in the high-end, flexible, intelligent manufacturing workshop for compressors, the heart of a chiller. With soaring demand, midea faced the challenge of increasing production while cutting delivery times. By implementing AI-driven flexible scheduling and smart logistics, they've slashed production cycles by 50%, increased first-pass test success rates by 15%, and boosted overall efficiency by 77%. This is the component assembly area, where AI vision provides real-time error prevention alerts to the workers during the assembly process. On the lenses of their AR glasses, workers can see an animated workflow, which guides them through the process, enabling visualization. This AI-powered lighthouse factory isn't just about digitalized manufacturing, it also integrates AI into R&D and design. It's an intelligent selection platform that can simulate core parameters for each order, optimize unit selection, and instantly generate a quote. Previously, unit selection relied entirely on experienced engineers, a slow process with suboptimal cost efficiency. Now, AI evaluates millions of chiller performance simulations to find the most cost-effective option, generating a quote with just one click. The selection process has been reduced from 5.3 days to just one. One of the key differences in this lighthouse factory is its full AI integration, not just in production, but also after sales services. To improve customer maintenance, the factory developed a user app that enables one-click repair requests and intelligent after-sales management. For example, take a look at this project. midea Building Technologies has also built a cold and heat energy station for Beijing Daxing International Airport, achieving a 10% utilization rate of renewable energy. This project is currently the largest multi-energy complementary ground source heat pump system project in China. The AI system detects even the slightest anomalies that could lead to malfunctions and instantly alerts the after-sales team. Thanks to this advanced system and expert service, midea Building Technologies has reduced customer service complaints by 37% and cut warranty repair costs by 21%. China's dual carbon goals are well known, and for factories, cutting energy use and emissions is a top priority. This factory has made sustainability the core of its operations. With the iBuilding digital platform, the factory has rolled out energy-saving systems, optimized processes, and implemented carbon offset measures. Each year, this factory saves 121,000 kilowatt hours of electricity and reduces natural gas usage by 2,000 cubic meters. A new solar power system is in place now, supplying 55% of the factory's electricity from renewable sources and cutting 5,323 tons of carbon emissions. This factory got the PES 2060 certification, making it midea's first fully sustainable, intelligent, and carbon-neutral factory. What an amazing place. midea's Chongqing chiller factory demonstrates the strength of smart manufacturing and sets a model for sustainable development. This lighthouse factory will surely become a global benchmark for the future of manufacturing. Now, the real question is whether Western manufacturers can catch up or continue to fall behind. No one knows what the future holds, but I believe the future is right here in China.